There is coming very strong dark energy activation for Earth and also for Sun. Yes, Sun, Mercury, Moon, Earth and Uranus, 20th and 21st November 2025. So it's about 10 days, 11 days now, and then we check out what's going on, and there's might come in very strong sunburst, storm, lot of energy that way where is Earth. The big possibility, same kind of system what was Carrington Event, 1859. Then we had alignment where was Sun, Mercury, Moon and Earth. Sun eclipse and very straight alignment. And same time, other side, if you look in Sun, it was right side behind Sun. There was alignment Sun, Venus, Mars and Saturnus. Yes. White straight line with Venus and Mars, and Saturnus was almost same line. And strong dark energy activation for Sun and extremely strong sunburst storm that way where was Earth. And there was this lightning, what lightning we say here in Finland, revontulet, northern lightning, like all over the Earth. 1859. Now, I think there is big possibility something like same kind of, because there is this alignment with Neptune, Saturn and Sun. It's not straight yet. December it's more straight. But because Saturn it's not moving so fast, there is white straight alignment already. And Sun was very active when Venus was other side Sun, like you know this Neptune, Saturn, Sun and Venus. And strong dark energy activation, a lot of this kind of very strong sunburst. Also this 21st, it's a strong activation for Earth. If there is storms, it's getting stronger quickly. Volcanoes, more activism, earthquakes, and that's the way we check out if there's coming like a heavy rains and floods. Later with delay, like November ending and December starting, heavy rains and floods and maybe these snowstorms. But that's not all. January we have a very extremely strange alignments when we are straight between Sun and Jupiter. Same time, Venus and Mars is behind Sun. So we have an alignment where is Jupiter, Earth, Sun, Venus and Mars. Very strong dark energy activation for Sun and also for Earth. And for Jupiter and also for Venus and Mars. We can check out all planets, what's going on after January 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th. And I think Australian, they have extremely heat waves, January ending. Yes, just remember, extremely heat waves. And it's not because of human kind of climate. No, it is because of this alignment when we have 4 planets with Sun. That's why there's coming crazy January. Heavy rains and floods and snowstorms, a lot of these extremely what it is? Extremely weather events. That's what I mean. There's coming these kind of extremely weather events, like whole January after this 8th January, when this dark energy activation is very strong. 9th and 10th it's even more strong, because 9th there is Mars very straight behind Sun and Venus still there. Venus is 6th most straight behind Sun, but still 9th and 10th Venus is there behind Sun, white straight, and 9th Mars is more straight, and 10th January we are very straight between Sun and Jupiter. Yes, just remember that. But there's coming more. something special. Yes, January, February, Mars. Saturn and Neptune is behind Sun. And same time, this Saturn moon take around with Saturn that way that there is alignment where is many times Saturn massive moon, Sun and Earth alignment. Many times, again. Some Saturn moon alignment with Saturn, moon, Sun and Earth. So just remember also this Mars 2026. There's coming crazy Mars also. So next half year there is extremely weather phenomena because of this kind of strange elements, but usually don't use many times are. 2003 we had something like what we have January 9th and 10th. Then there was this kind of strange thing and elements, and there was very strong heat waves and sun was very active also. And now there's happening again. And it is not because of humankind and this carbon oxide or what is this helium dioxide, my English is terrible, but anyway, these people say that humankind make this climate changing because of our technology, and we get this some gas. Maybe it's carbon oxide, or maybe I check out. Carbon dioxide. Yes, this kind of gas. They say that's why there is this kind of extreme weather phenomena and these kind of things, and very strong hurricanes, and because of humankind. But it is not that way. There is these elements which works very hard if these elements are very straight and if there is many planets same time. Also, you have to check out moon. Just remember Earth and moon element. If there is some other planet, it works very hard. Especially if this element is very straight, and there's happening this kind of very straight elements 2024 ending every 2 weeks with Earth, Moon and Saturn, and with Earth, Moon and Neptune. And every time there's coming extremely heavy rains and floods, like Valencia, there's people dying over 200 for nothing because the scientists don't listen to me. They can say to people, check out now, there is big possibility that there's coming something heavy rains and floods. If they start raining, you just have to check out if there's coming more and more this water, because we have this element now. And January 2025, Saturn was exactly behind Moon, and there was 40 places in USA like a huge heavy snowstorms. Also England and Holland and also Japan had a lot of snowstorms this January starting, because there was this very straight alignment with Moon, Earth and Saturn, Moon, Earth and Neptune. And also Mars, with Mars. Yes, we was very straight between Mars and Moon, January 1st. So there was January 1st, 4th and 5th. These kind of very straight alignments, and then start happening a lot of these kind of heavy snowstorms all over the world. So that's what I tell you. This works very hard if this alignment is straight, because there is this kind of dark expanding pushing force for these expanding nuclear atoms recycling together. Yes, this is something special. Center of nuclear atoms, there is traffic areas where is expanding energy more density, and these expanding traffic areas can recycle the expanding dark energy, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. It is not space which expanding. Just remember that space is eternal and infinity three-dimensional state, which is nothing, and only losers explain phenomena with hocus pocus space which play tricks. expanding upward, moving away from expanding Earth's center, but not so fast as expanding Earth's surface. There is no any kind of attraction forces. Einstein wrong with curving space. Time is